Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to know what is Python. A simple abbreviation we are going to discussing about this. Let's begin. Python is an interpreted high-level general purpose programming language. Its design philosophy emphasizes code reliability with the use of significant indentation. See, while writing the Python programming language, we are having a wonderful features and facility to simply how we are going to writing and preparing English language in our notes. In that way, we are going to prepare Python programming language also. So it will follows not curly braces as open and end braces of earlier programming languages legacy. So in this Python, it's already avoided by using a space, which is the block indentation position, which is going to be applied here. And it's a language construct as well as its object-oriented approach aim. Python language is also fully supports object-oriented programming approach to reuse the code again and again when we require to use the same functionality in multiple places. So it will be help for programmers, developers to write a clear code and reducing the code lines, and also it will save a lot of time. So I hope very interestingly the vast programming like in future and upcoming days, most of the libraries and most of the applications are going to be using Python as a programming language for large scale projects. So thank you.